From this photo, it's easy to see that not all parts of a flame are made the same. They can be brighter around the edges and darker in the middle, which is weird because a flame is normally brightest in the middle, since that's where you're looking at the most hot burning gas. I mean, look at the sun. Actually, don't do that without a solar filter. But it's a big ball of hot glowing gas, and it's definitely brightest in the middle. In fact, not only does it get darker towards the edges, it gets redder. These dark red edges of the sun are called limbs, since limbus is Latin for edge. And the limbs of the sun get darker and redder near the edge for three simple reasons. First, the sun is cooler closer to its surface and hotter deeper in. Second, hotter stuff glows brighter and yellower, which you've probably seen with a hot poker or candle flame. And third, if you look across the edge of a sphere, you have to look across more of the sphere for your line of sight to reach a given depth than when you look directly into the middle. If the sphere is only partially transparent, like the sun, when looking at the edge, you won't see as deep into the depths before your vision is blocked. So when you look directly, through a solar filter, into the middle of the sun, you see deeper into hot gas which glows bright and yellow. And when you look at the edge of the sun, you see shallower, cooler gas which glows darker and redder. The same effect in reverse explains why some flames have bright edges and darker centers. These flames are clearly hotter and brighter near their surfaces, likely because that's where the best mixture of oxygen and fuel is. So when we look at their edges, our line of sight passes through more hot, light-emitting gases than when we look straight on. Take a candelabra and turn it side on, and you'll see exactly what's going on. The geometrical effect I described in this video is called limb darkening, or limb brightening, and it also explains the ethereal ring-like appearance of certain nebulas, which are actually hollow expanding shells of glowing gas. This video is supported by Audible.com, the leading provider of audiobooks across all types of literature, including fiction, nonfiction, and periodicals. If you go to audible.com/MinutePhysics, you can try Audible free for 30 days. I recently really enjoyed Ready Player One by Ernest Cline, a fun sci-fi novel set in a dystopian near future where virtual reality has become most people's reality, and 1980s video games are the secret to saving the world. Again, you can get a free 30-day trial of Audible at audible.com/MinutePhysics, and thanks to Audible for supporting MinutePhysics.